Hi, my name is Jon Lorbacher, and I am the operations manager for Town and Country Cleaning Services. I just wanted to take a chance to answer a question that we get a lot, and that is, do I need to be home when you come to clean? And the answer is no, you do not. We have a couple different possibilities for this. Probably about 65% of our clients give us a key to their home, and what we do with that is we assign it a random alphanumeric code that has no personal information in it. So if anybody ever found that key, they wouldn't know where it goes without being able to access our work order system. And our work order system is password locked, and only your team on the day of service can access the information about the key code and the administrative staff. And we assign those keys out on the day of service, give it to the team, and then they return them back to the office. And we lock them up, and they're secured and only accessible to the admin staff. At the same time, you don't have to leave your home if you don't want to. We have plenty of clients that either work from home or are retired and like to be home, and we make sure that we can accommodate that too. We will work around you and make sure that we try to bother you as little as possible and give you a clean home at the end of it. So I hope this answers that. If you have any further questions, you can reach me directly in the office, or you can email me at jonathan@cleanmychapelhillhouse.com. Have a wonderful day.